Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the facts. Identify every clip, image, song, or transcript you used and who owns it. Once done, write down the license type and any permission you already have, including dates and reference numbers. Make sure to note exact timestamps and durations for reused material so your disclaimer can reference specifics. This early precision prevents vague statements later and speeds up drafting a clear, defensible description that platforms and rights holders can understand quickly. Now draft a short, structured disclaimer that states what you used, why, and under what basis, such as fair use, license, or permission. Explain the purpose, commentary, criticism, or education, and list precise timestamps and material names. Once drafted, add a line with how rights holders can contact you for takedown or claims, and note whether you obtained permission or relied on a license, naming it. Make sure the tone is factual, non-adversarial, and easy for automated systems to parse. Finish by formatting the disclaimer clearly at the top of your description so it's visible to users and platform reviewers. Include short headers and exact timestamps. Once posted, keep permission documents and correspondence ready to provide on request and maintain a reachable contact email. If a claim or takedown occurs, respond promptly with the evidence you referenced, timestamps, licenses, or permission emails, and revise the wording to reduce ambiguity. A calm, evidence-based reply resolves most disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.